The snowstorm. Today isn't a typical early Monday morning in Centerville. In fact, it's a very unusual morning. It's snowing very hard there. All the people are at home. The streets are empty and the city is quiet. The men and women who usually rush to their jobs aren't rushing to their jobs today. The people who usually walk to work aren't walking. The people who usually drive aren't driving. And the people who usually take the bus aren't taking the bus. The children who usually go to school aren't going to school today. The children who usually walk to school aren't walking today. The children who usually take the bus aren't taking it today. And the children who usually ride their bicycles aren't riding them this morning. The city is very quiet. The trucks that usually deliver food aren't delivering it today. The mail carriers who usually deliver mail aren't delivering it this morning. And the police officers who usually guide traffic aren't guiding traffic today. Yes, it's a very unusual Monday morning in Centerville.